HWASA. HWASA, Wasabi, the beautiful, the lovely HWASA came out with the MV NA. Or NA's also equals sodium, right? Periodic, I almost said times tables. Periodic tables, how you say it? Anyways, enough of that, man. Hold up, we got HWASA. Is this someone's foot? Whose foot is this? She out here barefooted? Is this Petty? Where's I mean, she was in Paris, right? I don't know. It's your boy Dre. We already in this. Let's get it. Let's go. All links in the description. Go check it out. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. Blah bitty blah bitty blah. HWASA. We got captions on. Bop English. Let's get it. NA. Nah. Bop. Oh she out. Oh, why is she so cute? Hold up. Nah, see, listen, HWASA, you the cutest. You so cute. You bad bitch. Look at her. So I hate to say it. So demure. So cutesy. So mindful. Look at her. Eat that bagel. How you eating that so beautifully? Oh my God. Look at your earrings. Stack on stack on stack. Look at me. Oh my God. How you gonna eat a bagel sandwich so beautifully, Miss Ma'am? Your cheeks are stuffed like some chickmunks, and it still look cute. What the hell? God damn. Yes, Miss Ma'am. All right. How much is your twisted pride of yours? Oh, is she back? What's she saying? Wait, hold up. I got distracted by the visuals, and I wanted to read the. Damn, why my boy caked up as hell too? How much is that twisted pride of yours? Stop there, gentlemen, cause you're not my type. Damn right, she is not your type. Move on, sir. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, okay, dancers. Bro, her and that glasses though. Ooh. How much is that outfit? 10K? What we're going hard for? Oh, why we turn it up? Ooh. Oh, bro, I see this in TikTok for some reason with Kirsten. Ooh. We just grabbing booty cheeks now? I mean, she been grabbing other things too, to be honest. But let me see that. Let me roll that back. Let me. Woof. Woof. I will talk to you nice no matter. Damn, what is that pause? Ooh. Oh my God. Whoa, what the fuck? Yo, that came out of nowhere. Bro, I couldn't breathe. I was holding my breath this whole time. Sorry, y'all. Let me. Okay, out with the girlies. They looking bomb as hell. Take it off, no filter. I admit that. What? Ooh, icon. Every one of y'all. Ooh, I like the way it breaks down too. Damn. Oh, I think I saw this on the teaser. Yeah. Woo, Miss HWASA, Wasabi. Is that cigarettes? Better talk to her. Hey. Hold up. Bop. Damn, okay, she's serving. Miss Mel. What that look for? Wait, hold up. Oh, damn, what is that pause? Bro, my pause game be on point today. Cute. Damn, okay, shout out to the dancers for real though. What the hell? That was a close-up lineup of booty cheeks grabbing. Excuse me? Oh, damn, my pause game would be kind of crazy. I'm sorry. Bro, I should have been a part of that lineup. Show off my booty cheeks as I'm grabbing. Me, myself, and nah, nah, nah. Ah, she kissed herself. You know, love yourself first, you know? Yeah, that's right. She's part of P Nation. That's right. Hold up. That was a mother effing vibe. First of all, she out here on a freaking window ledge. That's, first of all, that's kind of scary. Low key, high key. I wouldn't be able to do that. Drinking an espresso or a cappuccino? Adorable. Adorable. Put it on the poster. Put it on the billboard. Put it on the poster. Put it on the billboard. Put it on the poster. Put it on the billboard. Everything. Every scene. Dang, you can't talk to her. He said, get out the way, she said. You not. That's a pretty fire shot right there. That breakdown here too. Woo! Shout out to the bro. Seeing the dancers just like get it though. And this is all shot in Paris, no? She looks so good there. My God. Oh my God. Woo! Baddie Tings. Oh my God. Even the way she rapped here too. Woo! She was getting it though, for real though. God. She really just like out here like this. Shit. Yo, put a comments down below what you guys think of HWASA, Wasabi, Nah, MV. Tell me in the comments down below. Please like this video, share this video, and subscribe. Be sure to share this video everywhere, to your grandma, to your mama, to your auntie, to your brother, to your sister, to your friends, to anyone that's a fan of HWASA. Be sure to check out the link in the description down below. I am on Instagram and on TikTok at JustRandom Go be sure to follow that. I go on Twitch live, actually. I do Twitch live streams. Be sure to follow me at Drake Gaming. Sometimes I go Twitch on YouTube. Sometimes I go live on YouTube as well. I actually done that recently. Be sure to follow the Discord, and I'll see you guys in the next video. All right, y'all. Till next time, everybody. Peace out. Bye.
Hey, you better subscribe.
Yo, be sure to follow and subscribe to my Patreon. We got first listens. We also got reactions to lives that I can't post on YouTube. And if a reaction gets blocked, it's uploaded here too. And we got anime reactions as well. We react to variety shows. Please recommend me a K-drama that you want me to react to. So be sure to follow the Patreon and see you guys there. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Drake Gaming. I'm there every day.